here.
Let me kill my music first, because otherwise we have twice music.
This has a...
There's a lag between your audio.
I'm going to just clone this repo. So just update it actually. Because we've been working on it. Time. Go there. Git. Pull. And now when I get in there, we have Armor Go. If you just joined us, welcome to 2020. Welcome to the stream. My name is Fanie Reynders, and we're doing code with Martin from Stam. Doing some blade development. As soon as
Hello?
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 Yes. Yes. No, I can't. I still hear myself back now. Initially, I didn't. A lot.
I have some.
Well, now again. Or maybe it's Skype. Right.
Yeah, Skype is playing up. Hello? I don't hear you anymore.
Hello?
Yes?
I see. Okay, so Skype. So if I mute myself on Skype.
You mute yourself, then I don't hear you.
Hello?
Yeah?
If I do this, you are turned off.
Hello?
Yes. Hello?
Speaker turned off. Let's see what the audio in here is. New tech video. Now I don't hear you anymore. Yeah, the way around. Hello? I don't hear you.
I don't hear you. I don't hear you.
Oh, echo.
Echo. Echo. Hello?
Yeah?
Okay, now I can hear you.
I can hear you. Maybe you don't need a master bus from me.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Yeah. Okay.
Audio channel. Oh, maybe you need bus A. This is the issue. I think. Oh. This one, bus A.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
Okay, I still get it.
I'm not sure why you get the feedback.
It's weird, eh? So it's as if my audio output for Skype.
Output 2.
Turning my subtitles. Doesn't really matter.
Hello? Do you hear my?
I hear you, yes.
Do you still have echo?
Yes.
I don't hear your echo.
So that's why it's important to go back to your mix yourself, the input. Otherwise you hear yourself.
You hear, I hear you over my mixer. That's the Skype input. And oh, hello?
Yes, hello.
I don't hear you.
I still hear my echo. If you could mute yourself completely. Hello?
Yeah?
You didn't mute yourself.
Bus A. So, now? No. But now you're not on the master, I think. I hear you on my output. Say something? No, you're not on my output.
You're on my output. Oh, now there's echo.
Now?
Hello? No.
No?
Hello? Mm-mm.
Hello?
Hello?
Say
This
something?
playing
Say something?
this audio.
You're not on the feedback.
Yeah?
The audio is not going back to Skype for some reason.
Well, if I put your Skype, then the audio goes away. It's obviously from the
I can put you on this one maybe. No, that's the wrong. Is it still echoing if you do this?
hello? No.
Then there's no echo.
No echo.
Okay. Okay. Oh no.
No, that's hello?
But now if you're
No
wrong
echo.
picture.
Okay, but now, yeah, that's a wrong picture. So what happens if you clone that picture and modify it?
Let's wait.
That scene. Because in that scene, I don't know, but you're using vMix. I have no idea how vMix works. Oh,
Where's my Skype?
your docs. Oh, my soul. I forgot to Twitch. There we go.
Audio. vMix video.
Let's go
No,
to
that's
this.
the wrong one. This one? No. I could put the second video out, I think. Output 8, yeah. External. Something like this. Hello?
Yes, hello. I'm still waiting for your feed to come through.
You don't see the feed?
No, not anymore. We can maybe see if I can.
Like this?
Yeah, something is happening. Yes. Okay, it's strange.
And how's the echo?
No echo.
It sounds good as well on here, I think. Let me check my vMix. No, Twitch.
It should be fine. I think we're ready to go, man.
I think so.
So, how are you doing tonight?
I'm fine. How are you today?
Tired, I must say. Getting back to work is takes some strain, I would say.
Who wants to work?
Who wants to work?
Let me see if I can get a preview somewhere.
Okay, so how's this gonna work? You're gonna be live sharing to me, and you're gonna be hosting code, and I'm gonna be sharing my screen on my because your stream and my stream is different.
Yeah, you stream on my stream and I stream on your stream.
Yes, something like that. Yes. I see how this looks. I'm gonna share my screen quickly. So this is how it looks on Martin's screen.
Let me check how it looks on your screen. Twitch.tv. Fanie Reynders. Oh, Renders is a difficult name. Reynders.
Why? I've got a screenception. Should I give myself a cappuccino? One.
Yeah, there's another one. Now we need to set up live sharing. I should do the
All those
same.
faces.
Cappuccino. How do you type that? Oh yeah, there.
I think it will be that command level from your side.
I took it from my main screen. Let's see if I can add it in here.
Hi friends, if you just joined us, welcome. I'm joining my buddy Martin van Stam on top, and my name is Fanie Reynders. We are doing a multi-stream or stream Simul-Stream tonight, and we're going to be write some code today.
Yes.
Join us. Stay for coffee. Okay, so what are we doing? You sending me the link? Do I still have?
Yeah, we need to see if we can get it up and running. Let me close your window first. Let me here close this. Now I need to live share. I hope it's up to date. Do you have a link?
No, you must send me the link.
Let me see. Studio account. I need to check in. Re-enter my credentials. It's always fun.
You can send me on Skype. I will get it on Skype, the link.
That's not the right password. Darn.
I think I just broke my chair. And the funny thing is, my background music is totally different from your background music, right? So
I don't have any background music at all at this time.
So, but the thing is, if you play, okay, well, I don't think you should mess around with the audio. So but you don't hear my background music, right?
No.
So you don't hear my background music. My viewers hear us and my background music. Your viewers will probably also hear your rap music.
If I start it. No, I lost
if you stop.
Other screen.
And I'm waiting for you to pull the trigger.
Yeah, I'm trying to log in here.
While you're doing that, I'm going to be seeing if I can do some... oh, that's green. Darn. Do some... color correction. Cool. I'm going to be doing some...
this one, passwords. Let's check
Cool.
if that's the right one. Done. What? My account's temporarily locked?
What?
What?
That should be fine. Oh. Why is that?
Can't sign in with a personal account. Darn it. Why is my account locked?
Slowly but surely going into blue. I don't know. Why is your account locked?
Yeah, I don't know. There's always something going on. I logged in at my office account, so I don't know why it's saying it's locked out. What account's this? Oh, that's a different one. Log off. Sign in.
I'm just playing around with my theme.
I can log in with my office account.
Just do it.
That's working, but I'm not sure why. View account.
So I've got this piece of code here. While you're struggling there, I'm going to be seeing if I can connect to my Bluetooth device. So this cap that I have here, when I switch it on, it shows this C6C1. And I have no idea why it doesn't connect. That's the only thing.
Let's try login to Fish Studio. Studio.com. Sign in.
Okay. Let me see. What is the MAC address here? It's the same one. 23 dB. That
Not
should
sure
be fine.
why.
Say what?
I'm not sure why it's saying that I'm locked out. Because I'm logging in on my other machine and that's without issues.
Don't get any devices.
It's my secret screen.
Connect.
Oh. Yay! Are you still up and running, Fanie?
I am up and running.
Yeah. I get my authentication now on my screen.
Hey, there's something for you, Martin. We just got a chat, but that's obviously some marketing. Want to be famous? Buy followers and prime viewers on blah. I'm going to remove that chat.
That's on your own chat, not in my chat.
Not allowed to advertise, people. I'm terribly sorry.
Okay, select. Now, Visual Studio Live Share Firewall access. Currently in the auto connection mode that improves performance. Your file will be now prompt you to access. Denying will route all connections through Cloud Relay. Have you seen that before?
No. I cannot see your screen. Just open it.
Allow this.
Oh, the firewall access thingy, yes. How that happened?
I now have an invite link. I
Send
should
link.
have a link from you, didn't I?
No, you should send your link to me.
Okay. Copy
But
invite
not
link.
so the whole world can see it. Because otherwise the whole world might join.
Oh, and they already can see it now. Well, they need to type very fast then.
No, that's fine.
Let's quickly show another one.
That's fine. Just send me on Skype, then we can...
Where is the message window? Where's the IM window for Skype? Oh, here. Found it. Okay.
Well, let's see how this works. There we go. Join. Open. Okay, now this opens in VS Code.
Yeah, I'm now sharing my Studio with Fanie.
But what happens if I want to open this in Visual Studio?
You can open it with Studio, don't you? Invitation link, copy to clipboard, send it to anyone you trust. More info. Okay, close this, I think.
Right, I'm going to open this in Visual Studio. How do I do this?
On the top right there you have this live share thingy.
Well, wait, let me just close this.
Let me have a look at your screen.
Okay. Yes, live share, and then can I join the session, right?
Yeah.
Allow access.
Let me have a look at your screen.
Okay, fine. No, but this is when I share something.
Yeah, that's if you share, but I got you a link. If you click the link, you should be automatic opening it.
Here we go. This one. That should work fine, right?
Switching cap time again.
Yes, there we go. Nice.
Yeah.
This is next level stuff now.
Okay, now I can go minimize this one. Now I see that you're in there, yes, and I'm in here.
Yes.
So what I've been doing is go to the admin model.
Where are you now? Just focus me.
Yeah.
There we go.
Let me check the admin model, not the admin model, is it? Let me check. This is not the latest one. Oh, the admin razor page. And then the code behind file. Yes, that's the one that we need to fix. Can you see that?
The other thing is for me is I cannot see the
Razor CS.
the highlighting.
Can I pull you in here?
The what?
Oh, that's what you are seeing. That's not what I wanted to do. There's an option to pull you in here to get your attention. Oh yeah, yes. Now go to this one. Admin.razorcs. Can I drag you in here? How do I get your attention? Focus participants.
It should be on the...
Now I focused you.
Yes.
And then you should be now in admin Razor CS. Is that right?
Sorry, just a second, you're cutting out.
Let me first lower my music a little bit.
Your audio is clipping.
Yeah, your audio is clipping as well.
Okay, is it internet maybe?
I lower this one, so better.
Yes.
So I pulled you in at admin Razor CS. And try it again. Focus participants.
Mm-hmm.
And then you see if you go down there, we have the on initialized async. Yesterday I figured out how to do the is authenticated thingy by getting the authentication state provider.
I'm having trouble hearing you.
Okay. Yeah, we have a little bit of hide my player. Maybe that helps. Close this. Skype. No. Can you still hear me?
I can still hear you, yes. Sometimes you are...
Yeah, I'm trying to drop some resources here. The thing is, we have to fix the handle valid submit part.
I'm having trouble hearing you again.
Again? Darn it.
No, you're cutting out.
Something like this?
Might be a Skype thing.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, let me close TweetDeck. There's also a memory hog. OneNote. Closing a lot of things here. Is that better? No, I don't hear you anymore. Now I hear. Fanie is using a device that could record or broadcast his call. Yeah, that's what we were planning to do.
What will happen if I run this now?
Then it's probably running on my side, is that right?
Can we try?
Yeah.
Okay, select the startup item, STMcast. The host does not allow starting the debugger. If needed, ask him to enable it. Okay, you need to allow that.
Where?
The host does not allow starting the debugger. Can you enable it, the debugger? Somehow.
Yeah, I'm trying to find out how. View live share window. There's no properties in here. Copy link, manage link. I thought that if you hit run, that I should see it. Maybe it's the other way around. What if I hit my run? Something like this. Will it kick in at your side?
Yes, now it's running, but the thing is, I need to be able to run it also from my side. But you're obviously giving me read-only access.
It started. No, I don't think so. Can you type in my code?
Yeah.
Where are you typing?
In Open Razor.
I'm getting a debug window now. Startup window. Does it also start on your side?
Yes, but
You get a localhost 5001.
No, it did not pop up the browser though.
It's still loading at my side.
If I go to localhost 5000.
5001. Then I see this. You don't see that probably.
No. Oh, wait. It's not working. The last time it
Maybe you need to reconnect.
reconnect.
Session. Let me stop the debugging session.
Yeah, I just want to see if I can do it again. 15 cost. Quickly check on my screen.
Your screen?
Mm-hmm.
Get it in window.
Just the host doesn't allow starting the debugger.
The host doesn't allow starting the debugger. If need, ask them to enable. Yeah, I would like to, but yeah. VS Live. Share. Oh, is that an option? No, it didn't make it read-only.
Code debugging. Visual Studio, blah blah.
Code debugging here.
Where do you see that? Tools, options, live share.
In VS Studio, tools options.
Yeah.
Tools, options,
Share. Yes, okay.
live share.
And then you just search for live share in the yes, general, and then
Code debugging, allow guest control. And that should be true, I think.
yes.
Debug session join behavior automatic. Share web app on debug, true. Something else. Require guest approval, false. Auto call, false. Okay. Enabled it. You try again.
Okay, let's see. No, still not. Maybe I must
rejoin.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I've left. Now send me another link. Is that link maybe still valid? Do you think?
Should be still valid. I think. Maybe. Send you another link.
You can paste this in. Join again.
Sharing. Copy link. Oh, you're already in. Live joint collaboration session.
Okay, so now let's see. Seeing cost, run, still doesn't.
Maybe I need to restart my VS Studio.
Maybe, yeah.
Let me close VS Studio.
And that's a nice thing. You can actually go offline completely And my stream will still work.
Yeah. Studio. Good evening. We're simul-streaming with Fanie Reynders. And at the Twitch stream Fanie Reynders, Fanie Reynders is simul-streaming my stream. And at Maarten van Stam, my stream. Fanie Reynders, I'm simul-streaming with Fanie. So if you switch between channels, you can see the same thing. Not the same thing, we each have a same layout. But we're live coding on the same code, at least if we can get a debugger up and running. Studio is getting up and running again. Live share. Should I share a new code for you?
Yes, I think the code
Sharing.
URL is maybe it was terminated. Yeah.
Copy again. Let's see if I can put it in your stream, in your IM. Is that a different one?
Copy link, live share. Oops, no, I'm sharing. Darn, I don't want to share anything. Copy, paste, join. Collaboration session not found. What?
What? Let me do it this way. Copy link. And do another one.
There we go. Something's happening.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yes, okay. Should we try it now?
Yeah. Hit the debugger.
Mm-hmm. Okay, start. Still not. Host does not. The host doesn't allow starting the debugger. If needed,
could it be because I'm in an Azure VM?
No.
Maybe the Azure VM is blocking. Oh, no, because I do get a sharing option. Let me check the options again. What's it called? Live share?
Mm-hmm.
Share.
Let me see your screen there.
Anonymous. Oh, allow guest control is disabled again. Stupid. Why did it? Apparently, if you close down Studio, it's not persistent. Try again.
Click OK. Go back again and see if the stream is there.
Let me check. Folks prediction.
No, you don't have to.
Okay, try debugging again. Do you need another link or what do you need?
Maybe. Let's see. Yeah, let's send me another link.
Yeah. Copy link. Paste. There's another one.
Paste link. Something's happening.
Collaboration is coming in. I get a bell in here.
Do you get like a notification?
Only
Somewhere.
that you collaborated. You're in here now. There's not much options. I'm now following you.
Let me see what options there are again.
I don't have any options. Or maybe in
Just
the
go back
tools.
and
Tools options.
make went back again.
Go editing. Allow guest command control. Allow guest languages. Allow guest control. Shared build. So would that be the one?
Yes, I think so. Where do you see that?
Let's put it. Yeah, that's on the shared build. There's also something called under languages. Allow guest command control for languages.
I just requested.
There, now I get a yeah. Wait,
I just
whoa,
requested
close
it.
my window. Allow always. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Rebuild.
Yeah.
That now build it.
You're now rebuilding.
Okay.
It rebuilt. Oh, it's libraries restoring. Rebuild succeeded.
Running it's still a problem.
Yeah.
Running it used to work. I don't know if they.
Let's look at the options again.
Maybe set the debug session join behavior to manual.
What?
On your code debugging option.
Yeah. This one.
The debug session join behavior to manual.
Manual or prompt?
Prompt maybe. I don't know.
Let's try prompt first. Okay. Yeah, try again. Nothing?
Nothing. Does not want to work. What's this?
Options.
Shared service. Are you cool?
What does
Shared
it say?
service. How do you add a shared server?
Oh.
That's cool.
Allow
So you
guests
can
to
actually
start and stop debugging sessions. It's set to true, so.
maybe I should exit Visual Studio.
Use
Try
it,
that.
exit.
Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Yes. Let's see if that works. Dum, dum, dum.
Doom, 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 doom.
I'm back. Where's the music? Can I Google this? The host does not allow starting a debugger. The host does not starting the debugger.
Oh, Google. I typed Google instead of Google.
Blah blah blah.
VS Code share. Host not debugging.
Maybe it's a Visual Studio update thing, because my...
Are you not on the latest version?
No, just maybe.
Really?
What version do you have?
Let me quickly check. I think I'm on preview. 16.5.0 preview 1.
Okay, so you're on preview. And do you have the normal Visual Studio?
No, the preview. Oh, no, not on this one. It's the code share, live share. Is that in the menu as well?
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open VS Code, and this is the beauty of it now. It's a different IDE.
Yeah,
right?
you can open Visual Studio Code.
And that's always the latest version.
And do the same thing.
And then live share, and I can say join a session. Quickly sign in, open link.
Manage shared servers. What are shared servers?
Okay, so paste that link in there.
Live share window. What's that? Oh.
That one there. Okay, now I'm actually starting the session.
Oh, now I see another one.
Yes, I'm in the Visual Studio one now.
Now the other one left.
Okay, so restart.
But can you trigger the debug?
I just need to update Visual Studio Code quickly. as well.
When
It's
was
been a
your
while.
last live coding session? A month
2 weeks
ago.
ago. Hey, it kept a state. You
Yeah.
see that?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
It's amazing.
Okay, so I'm just gonna hit F5.
Do you hear that?
Well, it's running. It's building.
Were you able to hear the trololo?
It's saying the same error. The host doesn't allow starting the debugger.
Oh.
Maybe if you try using it from VS proper, not VS Preview.
Shared terminal. Shared terminal. Shared terminal read write. Is that the other terminal? Oh, that's the that's a terminal. PowerShell.
Oh, cool. Wait.
Yeah, I closed it again.
Just quickly open that again.
Read write.
Okay, so.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh. .NET. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Huh?
I need to.
Typing is a skill.
Just in.
Yeah.
That should be fine,
That's
right? Because this will work.
Let me close this. Make
It's
this a
not
little
debug.
bit bigger for the audience. For all the viewers that we have. Did it start?
So this is not. Well, it's not running on my side. It's running on your side
Integrated
now.
terminals not installed. What is this? External terminal has started. Strange, I don't have the integrated terminal installed. That's weird. Whack whack terminal. Is that something from who owns whack whack terminal? That's kind of strange.
Maybe if we just try the VS Live Share from a proper Visual Studio version, not a preview, it might be better.
Then I need to probably move over to close this and then close this, minimize my VM. I should have, let me check, Visual 2019 preview in 2017. No, I don't have the normal version installed, I think. Visual Studio. What's your Visual Studio version?
It's busy installing, so I cannot say. It was, I think, 16.14 or something.
Yeah, update that to preview 1 from 15.
Well,
Let me check my settings again, because I restarted my Visual Studio now. Tools, options. Let's see if it reset it to false again. Live share. See, it's setting it to false again. If I restart Visual Studio, it must be a safety issue, a safety thingy. Shared build is still active. Let me allow guest command control for language as well. Diagnostic logging is false. Yeah, that's just for diagnostic. Features stable. By selecting inside, you agree to pre-release software terms. Shall I put it to insiders?
Can. Hey, something's happening. What's happening here? Well, I'm doing something else now. Oh, what? This thing is picking up. Oh, darn. Let's pick up this. Where was this now?
Do I need to share my link again? Those options.
This thing is picking up this device now. Let's just quickly see. I'm quickly spanning with my.
With your?
Playing with my Bluetooth thing.
Oh, okay.
And just want to see.
Connection mode auto. Direct. Relay.
Okay.
Auto mode prefers direct connection, but may fall back to cloud relay. Okay. I think this should be enabled now.
Was it right?
Do you need a link
wrong one.
again?
Yes, I think so.
I wasn't even sharing. That might help if I do the sharing. Copy link. Where is the IM? Over here. There's another link.
Get it now. There's nothing in here. If I sorry, I'm doing two things at once. Can I quickly see something? The join session.
Why is this STN cast? What's happening?
Okay.
What are
So
you
let's see
doing?
if this works.
Oh, you're now in. Let me follow you.
Something's happening.
Yeah.
Like what? Catastrophic failure.
Wow. Where? Oh. Yeah, you're starting the debugger.
Yay!
Yay! So it's actually the version that was not right?
I think so, but nothing's happening. It's still not popping up.
Boys and girls, Fanie started my debugger from remote, from Oudijk. Somewhere in the middle of the Netherlands.
Yeah, but the thing is, I don't see your... So if I go to a browser now, will it now pop up?
Can you see my browser, or do you have your own browser, or what? How do you see this?
I don't.
Let me quickly open your window. Let's see what you're doing on Twitch. Fanie Reynders. Hey, there's something red now.
You know what you should actually do? You should actually do this. Where's that screen?
Let's see what's on your screen.
Where's that? Okay. Because if you share your screen on Skype.
That's what I did. Oh. Did you stop debugging, or did I do that?
I think, no, I didn't do anything. Currently, I was currently debugging, so if you're debugging, I cannot do anything. So...
You are debugging on my machine.
Check sound. Okay, start screen. So now if it's good, you will see my screen in your video feed, right?
I see your face in my video screen. Oh, now you lost the Skype. Is there a different screen?
Oh, you know what I should do? I should probably...
Oh, yeah, now I see a different screen as well.
So you can actually put that next to me somehow.
Yeah, the question is, how do I do that? What I
Oh,
can do, what I
it's
can do
India.
is this. I can do this. Oh, can't resize it.
No, it's India input.
Yeah, so I have to create,
Let's
let
quickly
me see.
screen. So let's put this off. Share your screen quickly. I want to test something.
Share my screen? What screen?
Your screen. Your screen that you're busy working on now.
Like
your Skype. On Skype, go share screen.
yeah, but that probably messes up my complete thing.
Why?
What I maybe need to do is something else. Oh, I can do it in here. Wait. Like this. It's now output 8, and I should put it on output 10, maybe. How's this?
Yeah, that can work, but the thing is, no, just share your screen on Skype. I want to test something.
I can't do it on Skype, I think. I'm sharing my screen on Skype.
Oh, are you?
Yeah? With a little me in the corner.
Just see what I have here. No, man. If you go on your Skype app itself and click share screen.
Where do I do that? In my menu, little menu. No, that's chat something. What's this? Go away. I don't have a... How do I get back? Ongoing call. That's this one.
Look at that.
Where's my... Oh, this is it. No, that's not.
Next to the red button, there's a share screen. Looks like... See there?
End call. This one. This is the one.
Yes. Okay.
Now I need to share this screen. Start sharing. Something like this. Move this away.
Yes. There we go. Now look at my screen.
Wait. I have to look at your screen.
Now did you disable yourself now?
No. But this is my coding screen.
Yeah. So see, that's much better now. You are... Whatever you see on my... Whatever people see, I have my own window, but what people see on my stream is what you see on your screen.
Yeah. But you don't see me anymore.
Yeah, I just want to see where is that now going. Guest video feed. It's there, but why did it... Just maybe set yourself back to... you know why? Why is that the case?
Because if you look at this one, that's exactly the same thing. This one.
Just put your view back to your full self.
Wait, let me try this. Okay. Now, if I now stop sharing, how do I do that?
Here we go.
Stop sharing.
I don't stop sharing.
But now if you just take up the other view, that's exactly the same thing, except then I'm also in it.
You know what I'm saying is, just reset your view that you did completely. Just want to see something that focuses only on yourself with the SDN cast background.
Yeah, but that's not what you see.
No, I know, but just bear with me.
From the live stream, you mean?
No, on Skype. Well, yes, the one that you sent me over Skype.
Okay, that's. Let me check which one that is. It was 8. Okay, I'll put 8. This one.
Yes, that one.
That's the one.
Okay, now, hold on.
Hold on.
And if you share your screen.
Yeah, then we have to move this one again.
No.
Wait, yeah.
Don't move.
No, I do this because otherwise the button is not visible to me. So I have to do this, start sharing, and now I have to move it back. Now it should be okay.
Yes, but now your screen on Skype is messed up. It's like, hold on, let me just see what happens
here. Should be good now.
Yeah, it's fine.
Now you have me in the little window, in the personal window, and you have a screen share.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are simulcasting here with the channel of Fanie Reynders.
Yeah, what would be cool if I can get your raw footage should only be your green screen, and my should only be my green screen. We can put each other on each other's streams.
I can do that as well if I let me check. That's Master Studio View. So you want my cam view with a green screen on?
Yeah, just to remove your background. Just make it green.
Create a virtual input.
Just set any color you want, like a solid color or something.
Or just can't change it in here. Color E. Now you need now the green screen, I think.
Well, you don't need a green screen. You just make your solid color.
Yeah, that's what I. Oh, okay.
I've already did it.
Solid color in here.
Well, it's just make an image.
What kind of color do you want?
Anything. Just do it. Green.
No, that's not working. Only can give you the.
Just pick a color. Blue.
Turn the chroma off.
If you look at it now, I've taken the SDN cast green. It's kind of doing the same thing. And quickly look at the screen, my screen, on Twitch.
Yeah.
So you and me are there, and you're kind of in my. And if I turn this off, that's my view. You see
yeah.
that?
Okay.
And that's your view.
What I can do is close this one. Which one do you have? No, this 8. Color adjust. No. Color key. What if I just remove the background?
No, that's also fine. Yeah. Make it black. No, don't make it black. Just make it. Just remove your chroma key.
Yeah, but that's a bit messier. Let me quickly make something here.
Go to paint.net.
Yeah, that's what I do. Paint.net. Create a new picture. Where's my paint? Oh, there it is. File. New. 9020 by 1080. Yeah. And then paint it. What color do we make it? Blue? Green?
Green, would say.
Light green? Let's do this. File. Save as. Showing all my files here. Come on. It's so slow. Where does it go? Where did it go? There. Studio. Where's something studio? Studio in here. Solid green. Okay. Close this. This is the. Let me check. Change this. Browse. Studio. Solid green. Open. Okay. Okay. And there's something next to me, like paper. That should not be in the image. Now for solid green. Do you see solid green? Yes, you do.
Quickly see my screen now. You are in my office.
You need to move me a little bit to the bottom and to the right.
Yeah, I'll try to doing that now. Host video feed. Guest. It's always a
tricky part. Yeah.
It's fine like that, right? Then.
Which side is my cropping?
I don't know.
This one. Yeah, on the left. Oh, maybe I can do it in here. Position. Oh, there's no cropping. That's strange. Definitely see some cropping in here.
That's fine.
Not sure.
It's fine like this.
Yeah.
We have my screen. That's cool. Guest.
Should lower this one.
This is what I meant last time when we had the cast, that if all of us have a green screen, we can all be in under one table.
Yeah, the round table. Quickly save my thingy here. Settings for maybe next time or something. to, yeah, saved my settings. Now let's go. We already 2.5 hours. What is 2 hours in? 9, 10, 1.5 hour in. We haven't been starting with any code. Now this is sharing working.
I need to go.
No.
I need to go, sorry.
Oh,
Good like
no.
5 minutes.
Now we have it working. Now you have to go.
Next time better, eh?
We can do this tomorrow.
I did not plan for actually live coding. I wanted to do it this morning, but then I had to go to work. And but it's cool that's working.
Yeah, I've now saved my settings as a different thingy.
Profile.
Different profile, so we can pick it up next time.
Yeah, I've set up my profile so that it can accommodate you, your screen, even if I can remove you as well.
Yeah.
Guest video feed. There we go. They are gone.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait, where I'm going? Can't be.
Oh, you want to see? Hold on.
My system is a little bit laggy with all these video
There's-
sources.
See, there's your screen gone.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
There's
This
screen
is
on
your
again.
screen. My screen.
And I can quickly turn you off by going to boom.
Quickly
And
get
there
some
we go.
channel points on your channel. 430
What's
channel points. What can
Hey,
I,
but it was fun.
what can I
It's,
buy from
stream.
you? Nothing. You haven't
Mm.
set up your channel points.
How do you do that?
Oh, you did. Unlock a random sub emote. Do you have emotes?
How did you? No, wait. No. How do you do that?
No. Oh, you don't.
Show me.
You don't have any emotes to unlock.
I have no idea how that works.
Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see this.
Okay.
This is your stream, and you have this in here, the channel points. You have this activated, apparently. And if I click on it, then for 100 points, I can highlight my message. So if I do this and then say something in the chat, highlight my message and say, "Hi, Fanie," and I do enter. See, now I get a
That's cool.
highlighted message. And I just spent 100 of my valuable points to this stupid message. Fail. Oh, shit. Yeah. Oh, almost terminated my stream.
But how does it? Oh, channel points. Oh, that's a new thing.
Yeah, but you need to have some emotes because now with 320 points I can unlock a random emote, but you don't have any emotes. Emotes.
How do you get emotes?
Yeah, you have to create them. Or is it a partner-only thing?
I think so. Watch for 5 minutes, you get 10 points. Claim special bonuses, 50 points. Participate in a raid, 250. Speaking of raids, I'm gonna go. I need to go now, so I'm live on the stream. What will happen if you raid me and I raid you?
The way of
No,
a circular reference, something like that.
overflow. Let's see. We can raid and we raid them together.
Where do I do that? In here, raid channel.
In Twitch.
Pick channel
So
like
source code's online.
Fanie Reynders.
No,
Yeah.
don't rate me because I'm going. We've got 5 viewers. The viewers needs to stay. The viewers need to stay. I've got 5 viewers now. We need to find a specific one.
And then we both go to the same one.
Live video sentiment analysis.
What's your which one do you select?
Bald bearded builder.
Yeah, I have it as well.
Ready.
Do you start already?
No, what one? Bald bearded. There we go. Do you have him?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Okay. I am almost ready. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
I think
Check the music.
Fanny's in the house with the Party of 5. Party of 5, please. Wasn't that a show? Party of 5?
I'm hosting now as well. Yeah.
Yeah, I never watched it.
Rate him.
Oh,
Oh yeah. It was like a family, like a bunch of kids, like their parents had died or something. I'm starting to remember. I don't think I ever watched the show, but somehow I remember it. Welcome in, Fanny, one of our fellow live coder team members. You know what? We got a Simul raid. Was there another raid?
Did you rate?
Technically, that we kind of got another raid.
What did you host?
Fanny, I mean, if you're not done streaming, feel free to just to join in on the the stream here. Okay, I gotta refresh this. So we've got with us Ashish is up here, Chris Jones is with us, Clarkio, Rambling Geek, Fragberg. Who is this? They aren't showing their face. Oh, Martin, you simulated. Well, technically we are simul-streaming. We've got Clarkio
in a different way.
Rambling
Yeah,
Geek.
there's some
Fragberg
streaming.
hasn't started streaming. Ashish streams.
I kind of started just to get
He's got the green screen. He's ready.
99
Well, welcome.
D2
All. Hope you had a good stream. Who is that? I saw a voice go off.
7B99 D2B 0.
It might be me trying to get video working on my PC. Okay.
NG Rock.
Yeah, it is not
Okay,
working.
that should work.
Oh, did that work?
B
This will work.
Sending a post.
0.
There it come in. Look at that. It came in. There's our results from that click. Face ID, that's where the rectangle of where the face is. Who dat with the, I like that hat. Visual Studio. What?
Hey.
Oh, no voice available.
That's a.
Okay, I have to close my.
Is your mic working?
Oh, no voice available. One. Fanie is in. Fanie is in.
So,
What is that?
So,
What is going on right now?
subscribe.
Whoever joined us has the kids in the background. That's cool. There's face attributes. That was a male 24. And that picture was. So I don't think I shared with you the sample picture, right? So let's bring over that URL because I
wait.
hard coded in that URL. So this is what we're sending to Azure Cognitive Services right now. It says no glasses. He's got a happiness. It's pretty sure he's happy. Fanny's the guy with the VS hat. Fanny's your mic work? Good exposure. No facial hair. Male. 24.
Fanny's your mic work?
I'll go along with all that.
We've got Paul's in the house.
So now,
Oh my gosh, how many stream inceptions are we going to have? We got streams inside of streams
gosh, how many
going on.
inceptions are we going to have? We got
Paul, is your audio working?
Streams going on. Paul, is your audio working?
Oh yeah, Fanny, you gotta mute the stream when you join,
Oh yeah.
or it'll get pretty bad. And there was somebody's joined, and they've got like a lot of background noise, so I muted them on my end.
I'm not sure if you hear me.
Somebody's joined and they've got like a lot of background.
Okay, so right now when I hit this click me, it's just sending over that one URL
Okay, so right now when
and doing facial recognition. There you go.
That one URL.
And loading that payload into that box.
There you go.
So I'm gonna minimize that, so now we can see it all.
And loading that.
So now what I want to do is pick one of those.
So now we can see it all.
I'll just pick the first one. I'll tell it, go grab
Pick one of those.
image, like in this case, Ashish is my first one up here. I'm going to tell it to just take a grab of Ashish and load that to like a canvas, make probably a base64 encoded URL out of it, and send that to Azure and let it respond back, and hopefully it'll tell us that, Ashish looks happy or sad or whoever's up in that top corner. So, gosh, we did this before, and I don't remember how we did it. Let me think. Let's see. Oh, you know what I think? Okay, let me close this stuff because we're doing that fine now. I'm gonna move code out of the way for a second. Is this the only browser? There's browsers over here. I've got too many browsers.
Out of the way for a second.
Oh, that's work stuff. I need that. I'll leave it.
Over here. I've got too many browsers. Oh, that's.
There we go. Let's bring back up some documentation. I'm gonna move this over here.
There we go.
Documentation. Look at that. That's awesome. The whole fam. Well, now we're taking up the whole screen, so I kind of got to reverse it. That's awesome. We've got enough room for 4 more people if you'd like to join us. I'm missing so much chat. It's okay. I'm on Martin's screen. Martin's down there, and that really is kind of a stream section. We got Fanny inside Martin's stream, inside my stream. And technically, we also have like Clarkio and Rambling Geek and all those inside of Martin's stream. It's how far can this? And technically, I'm inside of Clarkio's. Let's see. That's what we're going for, Paul. We're going for bonus. This is bonus. I'm done after this. I'm taking off the rest of the year. I'll see you in Miami, and then I'm gone.
I'm done after this. I'm taking off the rest of the year. I'll see you in Miami.
I'm actually in screen. Yeah.
You are.
Yeah.
You are.
Who is the non-video?
Who is the non-video?
I don't know.
I'm dying to find out who did the sock earlier. That was the best I've seen so far.
I'm dying to find out who.
We got a special appearance. This is the first time I've seen Oscar up top there. Oscar woken up from the milk coma.
I've seen Oscar up top there. Oscar woken
That's
up
awesome.
from the milk coma.
How old is Oscar? Oscar is 6 months?
That's awesome.
7, 8, 9?
Oscar is
Not a year yet, right?
Can you hear me at all?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize. This API is completely throwing wrong things for me. I mean, I wish I was 24. This API is completely...
Oh, no, this is not you. No, this is not you. So we're testing. So when I hit that click me button, it's I hard-coded a URL in there.
so you take screenshots.
Yeah. So I'm not yet. Right now, it's just this image here.
Sorry, I was jumping the shark.
Yeah, so that image is being sent, and that's the 24, no glasses, all that kind of stuff coming back. So now
Makes so much sense.
we're going to take it one step at a time and just say, take the first stream, not even do them all at the time, right now. Whenever I hit click me, take a grab of the first stream in that box and send it over. And then we'll just automate it where there's no button and just always, like every 5 or 10 seconds, go get that data for each individual stream. And then once it's feeding in, we'll actually start showing up maybe some emojis. Maybe we'll position an emoji like in the top right corner of everybody's video or something. Heck, I think it sends the facial location. It does. Look at that. Face rectangle. Top.
Yeah,
left,
yeah, it does.
right.
We did it. We did a hackathon at IRSCon back in 2015 or 14, and there was this guy that did exactly something like this, but he would use the keyboard as a display if you smile or frown, and that will actually automatically send a message. So if you smile, it will automatically send a smiley emoji.
Oh,
So
awesome.
literally as using the face as an input mechanism.
Well, it just dawned on me, since I'm seeing your face rectangle, instead of having the emote like in the top corner of your video feed, I could technically put it on there kind of like an Instagram filter or something, or a Snapchat filter, and just replace your face with whatever sentiment it's picking up from you.
I think you get the eyes as well, so I'm not showing this one.
Let's see. Yeah. No. I see. Pitch, roll, yaw. Smiling, male, facial hair, mustache, beard, sideburns.
You're not getting the position of the eyes.
Blur, exposure, noise, makeup. Eye occluded, hair, bald, hair color. Let's see. No, it doesn't look like it's getting the eyes. We're going to have to do that, though, if we want to start controlling the puppet. Yeah. 8 weeks, 8 weeks? It's only 2 months? Really? I don't know. It feels like it's been a lot longer than that, Chris. Maybe it's because Christmas break was so long. There's Martin. That's a great background.
Rotating microphone. Something like this.
Rotating. Born in November. Man, Chris, it really feels like it's been longer than that. But November feels like so long ago now. Okay, so let's look. So this was just the basic getting started, and we've got that working. Yeah, I know you. I remember you jumped in our stream and was like, "Hey, I can't talk, but we just had a baby." Woo! But gosh, that feels like it was so long ago.
Hey, I gotta run, Michael Jolly. It was fun, man. This is cool stuff, and enjoy the rest of the stream.
Yeah, man. Yeah. See you tomorrow for the Friday stream.
Oh wait, hold on. We gotta do this first, right?
Shout out to Clark, yeah. Stream it again. Don't.
Wait, hold on.
What's going on?
Nice.
Okay, so we went through like just the basic example, but there's more to it than that. Now I need to find, where is that? API reference, that's what I want. Thank you, finally. You know what, I'm gonna make a note too. The best part of this, Paul, is I get to take notes that I can then Slack Isaac and give him, hey, you should do this, or hey, I really would appreciate it.
Or you can go straight to Manic. He's pretty good. He used to be part of DevRel. He was doing DevRel for OpenTalk, actually.
But Manic doesn't do this anymore.
No, but he's the head of product for OpenTalk. So
No. I mean, so I'll give you an example. Here's one I sent to. Can I bring up my account? This is one I sent to Isaac this week. Okay, so I can't bring that up. Let me see. Can I bring up that? Yeah, okay. So right here on the dashboard for your application inside of TalkBox, is a project API key and a project secret. I've had to make my browser smaller to hide the secret.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Because I don't want to show it on stream. But, first of all, it would be nice if that was auto-hidden.
I think there's some improvements coming to that. There's some issues there. I think you mentioned some of them.
Yeah, and
it gives
one of the ones
promise.
I turned into him was each of those two fields have this little copy icon.
Uh-huh.
And I am terrible about, I'll hit copy, go to VS Code, paste it in, then I come back to it, and then I hit copy on the next field. But I don't notice that little alert that says copying test command.
Yeah.
So one of the things I think they added a ticket for is to say, like do a tooltip that just says copied there.
I think they're gonna copy the dashboard Nexmo because that works really well on the Nexmo dashboard.
Yeah, the Nexmo one's a lot clearer. There's a lot less on these as well. But,
yeah, you can tell that completely different teams building this and completely different.
Yeah. And I want to be able to collapse this too. Like I love the ability to collapse this side menu down.
Yeah.
To give me more real estate, which I guess it doesn't really matter for most folks. It's just, I'm kind of restricted here because I want to show all the videos over there. I'd go full screen. Okay, so if we wanted to get, let's see, the stream. Okay, to do what I want to do, so we mentioned this earlier in the stream. Where is my code? No. Okay. And, man, this theme is getting kind of old. Feel free, anyone, to change this theme. It's not a favorite. I don't know what you call this. What is this thing called? Horizon Metallic. What is that? That's Dracula, isn't it? Is that what came? Oh, dark. Yeah, that doesn't work at all, Chris. That's a real troll move. That's a theme that was created by one of our viewers, Paul, to troll me.
Oh, really?
Because you literally can't see anything. There's the milk coma up top again. He's gone. Am I that boring? What happens? Oh, you've got headphones on, Chris. I was going to say, what happens if I play some really loud music all of a sudden? Hot dog?
I don't know. You might make a jump
land on
rope,
hot
maybe.
dog stand, didn't it? That's an awful thing, too. Yeah, so this is something we kind of mentioned earlier in the stream. So,
I mean, that's bright.
yeah, it's really awful.
Someone should make a theme for the 1st of April that, and it hides keywords. So you'll have a keyword in the same color as the background. So when you read the file.
The session, so on Stream Created, when that Stream Created event, so anybody joins and they're broadcasting, like, Fratberg right there is broadcasting his video, that's firing off all of our clients. Every one of our browsers that have these videos are firing that Stream Created, and it's passing in that stream data. Rambling Geek, I just realized your window over there has our videos overlaid on your window. That's very sick. Are you like doing a green screen with, or you're just removing the background? You brought that into OBS and removed the background on that HTML. That's pretty cool. Martin streamed his entered. We got credit for him. It's awful.
Going
What
to
is
bed,
this?
guys. I'm going to leave you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks for hanging out with us, Martin.
Sure. It was fun.
This is worse than hot dog stand.
Hey, can you hear me?